Alright, sorry for that. For some reason it like stopped. For some reason it stopped. So full sprite, okay. Okay. And like a level variable. So when I receive okay. And change. Well, we wanna get a change level. Get change level by 1. Get a change level by 1. Obstacles change when green flag fixed. Change when I receive. They show. And then you get when I receive. When I receive, win, change costume. I mean switch costume. Yep. And then I have that. Okay. So when green flag click, which so costume to 1 blocks. And try that. And then restart. Okay, works, and you're pretty much done. So this costumes. So it basically restarts. So I recommend you to make more of the obstacles and maybe change some code, make it yours. Okay, thank you and see ya. Bye. Bye guys. See you next time.